Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. And for all you new people out there, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I do appreciate it. Today we're doing a really easy job. We're replacing the drive wheels on a Craftsman lawnmower. Now this one's front wheel drive, and if your mower's got that crunching noise and it doesn't feel like it's running quite right, 90% of the time it's just going to need new wheels. Now new wheels are super easy to put on. It takes one tool, a 9/16 socket, and that's it. I'm using an impact gun because it speeds things up quite a bit, but you can do it with a regular ratchet if you want. So let's get to work. Okay, to change the wheels, the first thing you want to do is get the front end off the ground. It doesn't really matter how you do it. Now, I'm going to use a jack, but anything that gets the wheels that far off the ground will work. Now, as I told you earlier, this is a pretty easy job. You're about to see just how easy it is. Now sometimes this little steel sleeve here will get stuck on this, and that makes it a whole new game. But in a case like this, these wheels, this machine's been taken care of well, and you can see the gears look pretty good. So now remember to start the nut before you hit it with the impact gun, or you might make brand new threads. And that's it for that one. We'll take a look at the wheels, and you can see they're starting to tear up a little bit in here, so it's probably grinding just a little bit. So let's move over to the other side. Now, the gentleman that owns this mower told me that it was grinding just a little bit when he drove it. And you can see on the other side the wheel showing a little bit of wear. And if we look at this one, again, you can see a little bit of wear on the edge of the wheel. And these wheels just don't last forever. On this one we got really lucky because I've had these where this center sleeve stuck, and I've had to hammer away at it to no end. And notice we started it first. Now if you listen to it spin, it sounds nice. And the grinding noise it had with these is just gone. And that's how easy it is. And remember, when you do this, don't forget the dust covers. If the dust covers are worn or cracked, then go ahead and replace them now. These look really nice and solid, so we can leave them alone. But dust covers only cost about $8. That mower sounds a whole lot better than it did before. Now when he hits the self-propelled, it sounds nice and smooth, and it doesn't have any more of that crunchy grinding noise. And the whole job really is just that easy. It's one bolt on, one bolt off. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.